Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see why a number is divisible by 3 if sum of its digits is divisible by 3, and why a number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So let us start. Now, divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3 if sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, these are some of the numbers which are divisible by 3. Let us see one number 54. Sum of its digits is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, and 9 is divisible by 3. So we can say 54 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, these are some of the numbers which are divisible by 9. Let us see one number 1881. Sum of its digits is 18, and 18 is divisible by 9. 9 into 2. So we can say 1881 is divisible by 9. Why? Why it is divisible if sum of its digits are divisible? Now, a number is divisible by 3 or 9 if it is a multiple of 3 or 9, 3 and 9 respectively. Okay. Let us take one number 24. It is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Okay. Now, let us take 24. Okay. 24 is 3 into 8. We can write 8 as 5 plus 3. Okay. So it will become 3 into 5 and 3 into 3. Okay. We have separated into two terms. Both terms are multiple of 3. Okay. Both terms are multiple of 3. So we can say this term is multiple of 3 and this term of multiple of 3. Similarly, this can be written as, if both terms are multiple of 3, okay, it can be written as 3 into 5 plus 3, 5 here, 3 here, okay, and 3 into 8. So if both terms are multiple of 3, then the number is multiple of 3. Okay, so if all terms are multiple of 3, then it is divisible because it is a multiple of 3. Okay. Let us take one more example. 108. It is 9 into 12. Okay. 9 into 12. It is a multiple of 9. So it is divisible by 9. Okay. We can say it is a multiple of 9. So it is divisible by 9. Okay. Now let us see. 108. We can write it as 9 into 12. Okay. We can separate 12 as 3 plus 4 plus 5. And then if we are separating 9 into 3, one term, 9 into 4 another term, 9 into 5 another term. All these terms are multiple of 9. Okay. Each terms are multiple of 9. Okay. Each terms. Okay. This can be written as like this, and it can again written as a 9 into 12. So I can say if all the terms are multiple of 9, then that number is a multiple of 9. Okay. If all the terms are multiple of 9, then that number is a multiple of 9. And if that number is a multiple of 9, or if all the terms are multiple of 9, then I can say it is divisible by 9. Now, let us see one number, a 2-digit number. Okay, we'll say 2-digit number, 3-digit number. So this is applicable to any number of digits. Okay, let us take 2-digit number. Okay, this is units place, ones place. This is tens place. Okay, now it can be xy. It can be written as 10x plus y. Let's take one example 23. This is tens place, this is units place. So we write it in expanded form as 10 into 2 plus 3. This is 10 place, so 10 into 2. 3 at units place, so 3 into 1. So we can write it 10 into 2 plus 3. Okay. Similarly, xy can be written as 10x plus y. Okay. Now xy can be written as 10x plus y. Okay. Now 10x I can write it as 9x plus x. 10x. Okay. Y is also there. 9x. Look, 9x is a multiple of 9. Okay. We have taken it separately. We have just seen terms. Okay. we have taken it as a separate term. Okay, here x is left, here y is left. We have taken it as x and y. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, x plus y. Now, this is a multiple of 9. 9x, it is a multiple of 9. Naturally, 3 is a factor of 9. So, it is a multiple of 3 also. Okay, it is a multiple of 9 as well as 3. And we are left over with some two digits. Okay, x and y, sum of the digits. X plus y is left. X plus y is the sum of the digits. Okay. Now, multiple of 9, if it is a multiple of 9, so this is divisible by 9 and it's by its factor 3, this term. Okay, in two digit number, this term multiple of 9, so it is divisible by 9 and its factor 3. Now we are left over with the sum of the digits. Okay, we don't know whether it is divisible by 9 or 3 or not. So if sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then it is divisible by 3. Okay, for example, here 24 is there, it is a multiple of 3, then that number will be divisible by 3 only. Okay, if 48 is there, then that number will be divisible by 3 only. Okay, sum of the digits. Similarly, if sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, then that is divisible by 9. Okay, you can see if 27 is there, then it will be divisible by 9. If sum is 81, then it will be divisible by 9. So we can say the divisibility by 3 and 9 totally depends on the sum of the digits. Okay, we have seen two digit number, sum of the digits. Let us see. Let us take uh, take a two digit number and let us see it. Okay, 84. 84 can be written as 10 into 8 plus 1 into 4, tens place, units place. Okay, now 10 into 8. Now 10 can be written as 9 plus 1. Okay, 9 plus 1 into 8 plus 1 into 4 is 4. Okay, now 9 plus 1 into 8 is there. 9 will be multiplied by 8 and 1 will be multiplied by 8. Plus sign is there. Plus sign is there. So it will become 9 into 8 into 1 into 8 and 4 is there. Now this is 9 into 8. Okay, this is a multiple of 9. You can see 9 is there. Okay, 1 into 8 is equal to 8. 4 as it is. Okay, 8 is not a multiple of 9. 4 is not a multiple of 9 or 3. Okay, now this is a multiple of 9 and 8 plus 4. If you are making the sum of the digits, then it becomes 12. So we can say this is a multiple of 9 and the sum of the digits is 12, which is a multiple of 3. Okay, as sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, so this number is divisible by 3 because if it is this term is multiple of 9, so it is also divisible by 3 and sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, 12, so this number is divisible by 3. Now we have seen it this for a two digit number. Let us see it for a three digit number. Okay, three digit number I can write it as x, y, z. Okay, this is units place, this is tens place, this is 100 place. You know it. Okay, place value. Now similarly, x, y, z can be written as this is 100 place, so 100 into x. Y a tens place, so 10 into y, and z is there. Okay, 100x I can write it as 99x plus x. 10y I can write it as 9y plus y, and z is there. Okay, now 99x. Okay, and this is 9y. This is also a multiple of 9. 99x is a multiple of 9. Here x is left, here y is left, here z is left. Okay, we have taken all these separately because these are not divisible by 9 or 3. Okay, we have taken it separate. Okay, now this is a multiple of 9. Naturally, it is a multiple of 3 also because 3 is a factor of 9. The second term, 9y, for 3 digit number, this is also a multiple of 9 and 3. And we are left over with the sum of the digits. Okay. Now, multiple of 9, so it is divisible by 9 and also by its factor 3. The second term is a multiple of 9. Okay, second term in the 3 digit number, multiple of 9. So I can say this is also divisible by 9 and also by its factor. And we are left over with the sum of the digits. Okay. Now, if sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then this is divisible by 3. If sum of the digits is a multiple of 9, then this is divisible by 9. Okay. So, divisibility by 3 and 9 totally We have just seen for a 2-digit number, for a 3-digit number, it is totally dependent on the sum of the digits. Okay, for any number of digits. If you will see it in the 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits, any number of digits, it is dependent only on the sum of the digits. Okay, now let us take a 3-digit number and see it. Okay, 324, 324. It can be written as 100 into 3 plus 10 into 10's place. Okay, this is 100 place, this is 10's place, this is 1's place. Okay, so 100 into 3, 10 into 2 and 1 into 4. 100 can be written as 99 plus 1. 10 can be written as 9 plus 1. So it will become 99 into 3. Okay, we have taken it. Here it will become 9 into 2. We have taken it. Okay, here 1 into 3 is there. Okay, 1 into 2 is there and 4 is there. Okay, 1 into 2. Now, 99 into 3, this is a multiple of 9. 9 into 2, this is a multiple of 9. And we are left over with the digits 3, 2, 4. Okay, now sum is a 9. Sum of the digits, these are sum of the digits only. And sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. So, we can say it is divisible by 9. And as it is divisible by 9, so it will be divisible by its factor 3 also. So we can say a number is divisible by 3 or 9 if sum of its digits is divisible by 3 or 9 respectively.